Welcome to Mooneys Garage here on the Long Mile Road. Check out this striking 202 Hyundai Tucson N-Line available for sale. This of course has all the N-Line body kit and styling. You've got those 18-inch black alloy wheels. As always, big boot space in the Tucson. There's a boot liner there as an extra, and as always 2 Isofix points for your child seats, and a very comfortable leather and Alcantara interior with that red stitching throughout. It has all your usual storage space and cup holders. You have an electronic handbrake. You've got a 6-speed manual gearbox, wireless phone charging with USB connections, dual climate control with aircon, the heated seats up front as well. Touchscreen radio has your Apple and Android CarPlay. You can hook up your Google Maps from your phone to that, and a reverse parking camera. Bluetooth and cruise control is on the leather steering wheel, and again that red stitching throughout. And you've got front and rear electric windows and electric adjustable and retractable wing mirrors, all coming as standard. There's 47,800 kilometres on the clock. It's fully serviced here at Mooneys, and of course will come with a Hyundai warranty.